Welcome to Schiffman Firm. If you or someone you care about has been injured, you might have questions about the legal process. The civil process for protecting the rights of injured people has two related phases. The first phase is pre-litigation. During pre-litigation, you and your lawyer work together to collect and preserve evidence and information. A thorough investigation is necessary to determine how to best protect and fight for your legal rights. During this phase, crucial aspects of the investigation take place. Medical records and documents are obtained, injuries and the healing process are photographed and documented, witnesses are identified and interviewed, experts are consulted, and typically defendants receive notice of the potential lawsuit. Many cases actually resolve during the pre-litigation process through a negotiated resolution known as a settlement. If the parties can't resolve their dispute, a civil complaint, a legal pleading, is drafted based on information uncovered during the investigation. The complaint is then filed with the court, and the process proceeds to litigation. Litigation is the process of handling disputes through the court system. It is regulated by rules such as the state or federal rules of civil procedure and is itself divided into several segments such as the pleadings phase, discovery, pretrial, trial, and sometimes post-trial or appeal. The vast majority of litigation occurs during the discovery phase, where the parties exchange sets of written questions known as interrogatories, take statements under oath through depositions, examine evidence, and file motions. Discovery allows the parties to determine the facts that will be presented at trial and narrow the scope of the dispute. Discovery also allows the parties to evaluate their claims and defenses, including the legal responsibility of the defendant, known as liability, and the injuries and damages sustained by the plaintiff. After both fact discovery and expert discovery are complete, pretrial proceedings take place and a trial is scheduled. The trial itself is what most people envision as litigation, but the trial is only part of the process. The vast majority of the time and effort actually takes place long before the trial. Litigation is, of course, far too complex to explain in a short informational video. Nonetheless, we are hopeful that this video provides some insight into the process. Contacting an attorney to evaluate the matter is the first and arguably most important step in protecting your legal rights. If you need an attorney to evaluate your case, call us at 412-PRODUCT. The consultation is free and confidential, and if we don't win a verdict or settlement, you don't owe us anything. Our legal intake team will get all of the necessary information, and an experienced Schiffman Firm personal injury trial attorney will contact you to discuss your claim.